The well-known brand Cubot returns with another addition to its spectacular range of rugged phones. This time it's turned on the Cubot KingKong Power, a device designed for the most adventurous users, arriving on AliExpress starting at May 10th. KingKong Power integrates a huge battery of 10,600 mAh with a 33 watts charging and supports for reverse charging. There is also a large 6.5 Full HD Plus display, and inside it burns with the power of 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, expandable up to 1 TB, and the main camera of 48 megapixel. The software side is also equipped with the latest version of Android 13 OS. On the top of the phone we will find a dual LED flashlight integrated light that provides exceptional illumination even in the darkest conditions. It is waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof, the ideal companion to any adventure. Cubot KingKong Power will officially debut on the May 10th on AliExpress. KingKong Power is offered on a limited offer for only $139.99 from May 10th to May 14th. In addition, Cubot is also offering 100 limited time $10 coupons, making the final price unbeatable $129.99 with its promo code, which you can find below under this video with the Cubot's official sales link. Now is your chance, take and grab your new Cubot KingKong Power today.